Hello Nolan, this is your video lesson for March 20th. I hope you're having a fun spring break and I can't wait to see you next week. We're going to start by warming up. So we're going to find, now that we're not playing the black keys that much anymore, we're focused on the white keys, right? You know where C is, so I want you to go ahead and find C with your thumb, your right hand. So if I'm looking back way, right hand, right? And now we're going to put it on C. So find C. Right, thumb on C, play C. Okay, and then we're gonna walk up to G. We're gonna use all 5 fingers. We're gonna go C, D, E, F, G, G, G. Okay, I'm gonna repeat that one more time. C, D, E, F, G, G, G. We're gonna try that. Okay, I'm gonna play it first. It'll sound like this. Okay, you can pause the video and try that. Great, and once we're done doing that, we're gonna walk back down. So put your pinky on that G, thumb on C, pinky on G, thumb on C, pinky on G. Right, and we're gonna walk back down from G to C. G, F, E, D, C, C, C. So it'll look like this. G, F, E, D, C, C, C. Okay, try that, pause the video. Okay, now we're done with our right hand. We're gonna grab our left hand this side now. And we're gonna put our left hand on the piano, pinky on C this time, thumb on G. You know your C position, so let's try to remember where our C position is. If you need help, look through your book. I'm sure you can see where C is and where G is. And we're gonna go up to G, so it'll be pinky first. C, D, E, F, G, G, G. My E doesn't work on my piano. And we're gonna go back down. G, F, E, D, C, C, C. Try that. Going up and going down. Try that, pause the video, please. Okay, awesome. And once you're done with that, now that we're warmed up, we're gonna play hot cross buns. We're gonna do left hand and right hand. And I want you to have both papers up at the same time. So put left hand on your left side, put right hand on your right side, and I want you to be in position. We're practicing being in position, having round hands, not playing with flat hands, right? We don't want to play the piano like that. It doesn't sound nice. We want to keep round hands so that we can play all the notes comfortably. We don't want to do this with our thumbs, this with our fingers. We want to keep round, like you're holding a ball. Like you're holding a ball. Okay. And now that you're in position for hot cross buns, I want you to have your left hand ready. I remember the fingering was 4, 3, 2, right? And 4, 3, 2 on both hands. These 3 fingers, have them ready. Left hand and right hand. And it'll sound like this. Okay, so I did left hand first, and then I went immediately and I did right hand. I want it to sound like that, okay? So this week, we're gonna practice that, having both hands ready. Your 3 fingers ready, your 3 fingers ready on C, D, and E, okay? And next week, I'm gonna be making sure, and I'm gonna listen to make sure we're ready. It won't sound like that, but those 3 notes on both hands. And you can pause the video and play that 2 times. Great, and then once you're done with that, I want you to play your train song twice as well. And train song as well, have your hands ready because I know you play right hand and your left hand on that song. So please check get your hands in the position. It should be C position. What hand plays first, right hand or left hand? Does it say LH or does it say RH? And play that hand first. If you want to get louder, you can play with dynamics. Get louder as you go up. And get quieter when you go down, right? Get louder as you go up, and get quieter as you go down. Piano, right? Okay, so I want you to pause the video, try that, play with the dynamics. I know it might be a little bit hard on your piano. It might sound like the same volume, but try your best and play that twice, and I'll see you next week. And we're gonna try our warm-up next week, so this week keep practicing your warm-up. Remember, I'm going to remind you, C, D, E, F, G, 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 what we just played. E, D, C, 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 and have your left hand ready. ready. Okay, so have both hands at the piano at all times. I know that we're used to lifting up when we're not playing a hand and then getting the other hand ready, but then we're hesitating. So we have to have both hands ready to play the piano, okay? I can't wait to see you next week. Keep practicing. Please practice. Okay, bye.